In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install the latest iOS update on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then go to General, and then towards the top of the screen you can easily find the software update. You can tap on it, and if you got any latest software update, they will appear right here, and you will be able to download it and install by hitting right there where it says download and install. It may ask you to enter your phone passcode, and then also it may ask you if you would like to use cellular data to download. Yes, I agree with that. I'll tap at use cellular data, and it will start downloading the latest iOS update, and when download is finished you will be able to run installation process right from here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.